Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to fix download complete not working on eFootball 2026. To do this, first go back and go to your file manager and make sure you have enough storage. And next go back and go to your phone settings. Scroll down and tap on apps. Now search for eFootball. Scroll down and tap on storage and clear cache and clear app data. Go back, scroll up and tap on permissions. Make sure all permission is allowed. And next go back and go to your Play Store. Search for eFootball. And update your eFootball if it's available. And if it's already updated, then tap on play. Now it's working. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.